right, fifth graders, your homework tonight, talking about double bar graphs. We created a bar graph today. Actually, we created a pictograph, but we've been talking about bar graphs the last few days. Most important thing, your name, so we know who to give credit to. Bar graphs are often used to compare two or more things. The double bar graph below shows the enrollment of 4 elementary schools in the fast-growing city in 1985 and today. It also shows the current enrollment of Kennedy Elementary, which was built in 1990. Which is the only school where the enrollment dropped? So we're going to look 85 and current enrollment. Kennedy, remember, was built in 1990, so there isn't going to be a 1985. It wasn't built yet. Enrollment dropped. This one actually increased. This one, it looks like it dropped at Lincoln. This one increased, this one increased, so we want Lincoln Elementary. Which school has the greatest increase in enrollment? This one was at 350 and it went up to about 425, slightly more. So 350, it almost went up 100, not quite. This one was at 4, a little over 4, and it's up to 5. Ooh, those are really close. That one's the one that went down. This one looks like it went up about 50, and that one we don't need to count. So we're in between these two. And I'm looking and I see 1, 2, 3, a little bit more than 3 lines. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit more. So it must be Madison on that one. And we need to capitalize those because they are names, making them proper nouns. Which school has the smallest increase in enrollment? Smallest increase. Well, I'm confused on that one. To me, if this one didn't have if this one went down, then that wouldn't be an increase in enrollment at all. So I would say again, Lincoln. And it says about how many more students are enrolled in each of these schools today than in 1995. So we need to look at Washington and then again at Jefferson. At Washington, we went up, we're counting by 25s, 25, 50, 75, and then what's half of 25? Maybe 12, 75, is that where we are at? 25, 50, 75, 85, 86, 87, about 87. And Jefferson, we were at about 450, so we're going to count 25, 50, 75. And it says about how many more students are currently enrolled in Jefferson Elementary than Lincoln. So Jefferson Elementary currently, looks like it's at 525. We're going to do some subtracting because we need to figure out which one is bigger. And then Lincoln currently has about 350, not quite. I'm going to go with 350 even though it's about. So I think it's just an easier number to work with. I'll do a little regrouping here. About 175. And it says, which schools have enrollment of less than 450 students? Less than 450. Looks like Washington has less. Here's our 450 right there. Washington. And Madison. I gotta pull this up. Sorry about that. I didn't realize it was off the camera. Madison. Who else is below 450? Uh-oh, I gotta take Madison off because their current enrollment is actually more. Sorry about that. And current enrollment, Lincoln is under, Jefferson is our other one, and it looks like Kennedy won't make it. So Washington and Jefferson. All right, that's it. Thanks for working with me today.